Hello and welcome to our short video tutorial on how to check your Nexstara email. This tutorial is for clients that have chosen to use a Nexstara hosted exchange solution in their business. First, we will demonstrate how to log in to the Exchange Outlook web access page. From there, you can check your email, manage your contacts, and view and edit your calendar events. We will then show how to set up email signatures and out-of-office messages. Then we will move on to introduce the Exchange User Control Panel that allows you to change your password, access helpful documentation, and manage your spam email messages. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser to webmail.nexstara.com. Once at the page, you will need to enter your email address and password and click Login to proceed. Next, you'll be greeted by the Outlook Web Access interface, where you can check your email, manage your contacts, also view and edit your calendar entries. All the normal features you would expect from Microsoft Outlook are accessible through this interface. Now, if this is your first time logging into Outlook Web Access, you may want to take a moment and set up your email signature. This is done from the Options menu in the upper right-hand corner of the page. On the first page of the Options menu, you'll have the ability to create a personalized email signature that can be optionally included in all your outgoing messages within Outlook Web Access. The option right below the email signature box will automatically include your signature in any messages you send. Lastly, you want to make sure that you save your changes before moving forward. The next thing we will look at is the Out-of-Office Assistant. The Out-of-Office Assistant is a useful feature that allows you to automatically reply to messages that you are not available to respond to. Here you can enable the feature and set a start and end time for your Out-of-Office Assistant. Also include messages that will automatically be sent to both internal and external recipients. Now, if you made any changes to the Out-of-Office Assistant, be sure to save your changes before you move forward. Now that we've gone over some basic features with Outlook Web Access, let's take a look at the Exchange User Control Panel. To access the Exchange User Control Panel, you'll need to open your browser to webadmin.nexstara.com/usercp. There, you'll enter your email address and password just like before. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with many various options. The first option allows you to change your password. You can also download your licensed copy of Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Entourage for Mac, update your contact information, change your calendar sharing settings, also access helpful client setup documentation, which provides instructions for setting up additional mail clients to work with your Nexstara hosted exchange. Below the setup documentation, there are several options that allow you to manage the spam filtering for your Exchange mailbox. You can enable and disable the spam filter. You can also designate safe lists and blacklists to give you a greater degree of control over your spam settings. The final option allows you to launch the Quarantine Manager to manage your spam email messages. This window will display all email that has been flagged as spam, and you can either designate it as not spam or delete it permanently from the system. That concludes our video tutorial. Thank you from all of us here at Nexstara for using our hosted email services.